So, what are your goals for this winter in ham radio? Mine is going to be kind of experimenting with some of the more emergency communication type stuff, using more WinLink and maybe finding a few more stations, maybe testing out some of my other radios to see if I can hit those same stations. I should get my G90 set up and making sure I can do full digital on that properly, because I've kind of struggled with that in the past. Things like that, to kind of the digital world that I have been a little more not so active on it lately. Once I build my new shack, which is probably the number one priority, then I will be looking into kind of spreading that stuff out a little bit and doing some testing on some of those different areas. I picked up another little HF rig that is kind of floats all over the place as far as signals and transmission and everything. So I'm going to pop it open, take a look at, see what's inside essentially. Maybe see if it's something that maybe I can figure out, or if it's something I gotta find someone who knows this stuff a lot better than I do to repair it. But I think it'd be worth it anyway, because it's it's an older radio, but it definitely could be useful for like POTA, things like that, because it is a 100-watt rig. So I'd love to get it fully functional again, so I can use it. So things like that. Again, if I get that one going, get digital going on that as well. So the name of the game is digital this winter, I think. And get kind of all the digital things working. I have another mobile radio I want to get sort of set up and going for APRS digital. So again, digital, but then I can get build that into a digital gateway and use that for APRS, things like that. I might even try and figure out how to get the PL tones and stuff all working on it, so I can use it as another mobile rig as necessary, but primarily leave it in that role of a digital rig. So I got a few different projects, a few different things to play with, and ultimately get working. Might even get my not Aries, amateur radio over network, Arden, that's what it is. I have an Arden node as well I have a Arden compatible node, I guess at this point, that I want to get set up to just play with Arden as well. So I got a lot of different things to play with, and we'll just kind of see where it goes from there. So I just realized my camera's facing the wrong way, but oh well. It's dark anyway. It's 6:30 or 6:15, and I'm heading off to the club meeting tonight. So may have a post club meeting update, maybe not. Kind of depends on what happens there. But that's all I have for you for now. So 7-3 from WX0 MK.